Hi there, and today we're going to fix an error where the product has an inventory, but it shows as sold out in the Shopify website. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and let's go to my live website. So from here, just click online store in the sidebar and then click view your store. So now we are in the Shopify store. And for example, let's go to a product. So for example, this athletic running shorts is listed as sold out, but I have an inventory for this. So for example, if I go right here to the Shopify dashboard, let's go to products and then let's go to the athletic running shorts. So as you can see, I have an inventory right here. I have 6 in stock, but it says sold out right here. So we need to fix this by going to its settings. So just click the product right here and then scroll down and then see the inventory. So as you can see, my inventory for the New York store is available. So I have 6 in stock, but it shows as sold out. So a simple problem to this is that maybe you are using a different location for your Shopify website. So what you need to do is that you also need to turn on all of the locations right here in your inventory. So as you can see right here, I have a location in Manila. So I can just turn this on, click save, and then what we can do is that we can fix the inventory for the Manila location. So for example, if I change this to 10, click save, now this problem should be fixed. So when I reload this athletic running shorts product page, as you can see, it is now listed as having an inventory. So it is not listed as sold out anymore. And this is done for all of your products. So you should do the same thing for all of your products. So for example, I have another product right here, which is the colored t-shirts, just this one. So it is listed as sold out, but in actuality, they have an inventory right here. So as you can see, I have 30 in stock for 6 variants, but it is still listed as sold out. So the same problem is applied. So maybe because I only have the inventory in the New York store. So what I need to do is that I need to click this and then I need to click Manila. And then I can go ahead and insert the inventory for the Manila location as well, so that it will not be listed as sold out. So right now, we can just hit save. And then the problem should now be fixed when we reload. And then as you can see, this product is now available in Shopify. So you can also manage some other settings right here. And click settings. And then from here, you can check your settings for the locations. So from here, you can change the default location. So if you are using a different location, you can change the default location to the New York store, and the problem earlier will be solved without inserting some inventory to the Manila location. So that is an alternate solution. And then you should also make sure that for that specific location, you have the fulfillment turned on. Because if this is turned off, this will not allow orders for that specific Shopify location. And then that's basically it. So that is how we can fix a product that shows as sold out when in actuality it has an inventory. And that is it. I hope you learned how to do it. Thank you for watching.